comes the money.
Here we go. Money talk.
Here comes the money.
Hey, Oscar here with 1 minute copy breakdown. And I have in front of me a commercial by Squarespace where they pull out the big guns. They got the big name actor, got the big name director, probably got the big name agency. And this is what millions of dollars thrown will get you. Let's watch this real quick.
And I was just a little girl. I asked my mother, what will I be? Will I be pretty? Will I be rich? It's what she said to me. What will be, will be.
Okay, right. So this is what we call branding. This is what branding does. Purpose of branding is to get your name out there so people recognize you, recognize your name, your brand, your product. And this is what we, you and me, will never ever use. Why? Because we don't have millions of dollars in our pockets just to throw around and burn. We're gonna be smart and we're gonna use direct response principles and techniques that we could actually track and that we can actually see if they're working and test and tweak and get better each and every time. With those direct response principles that have been used since the beginning of time of humankind. That's what we use. We don't use branding and we don't throw money on big actors, big directors, and big agencies that just want to make something clever, something smart, and something that goes, oh my goodness, this is so funny, this is so interesting. No, we want to sell our shit. And in order to sell our shit, we're going to use direct response advertising, not this shit. So this is an example of what not to do because we don't have money falling out of our pockets. We don't have millions of dollars or venture capitalists throwing money at us so we can make commercials like this. This is a no-no. There's nothing to break down here because there is no offer, there is no headline, there is no closing, there's no call to action, there is nothing. It's only, this is my company, look at me, we hired a big name actor, and this is our clever commercial. So yeah, we're not using this, but I want you to show what branding is so we can see the contrast between branding, which is what we just saw, and direct response advertising, which are all the other 1 minute copy breakdowns that I've done before. All right. So next time I will have something better than this. And I'm not knocking on branding, but if we are small to medium size, we're definitely not using that. And the good thing about direct response advertising is that once you use it to sell your shit, you create a brand for yourself at the same time. So you're selling stuff, you're bettering people's lives while you're making a name and a brand for yourself. So you could do both at the same time and not just this crap by itself. So this is Oscar, 1 minute copy breakdown. We'll see you soon. Bye-bye.